Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria and
the Island Boy Africa
and Little Island. So guys, we're here for another adventure.
Yeah, and by the way guys, this is not the video that we did recently that we post on the community channel. Yeah. So this is actually we taking another flight again. So we still haven't recovered those files as yet, so we're still waiting. So yeah. Today we're going to Sydney.
Are we telling them?
Yeah, we can, because I think it's going to be in the title.
It's going to be a while. So yeah, we're going to Sydney. We're going to go do a bit more exploring. Visit family, friends, and yeah, so stay tuned guys.
Yeah, man.
It's exciting.
Yeah, and
I heard that Sydney's really, really cold too.
Yeah.
So we're all wrapped up for that.
Yeah.
We're all wrapped up.
Alright, so
hang on.
tuned.
Maybe Boba wants to say hi. Say hi.
Kiss.
Give everyone a kiss.
So here we are going. Time to board the flight, guys.
At a bulkhead, you will need to put all of your personal belongings into the overhead lockers, including the use of e-cigarettes.
Let's go now.
Once the last
Hey guys, so we've just touched down in Sydney.
Yeah.
And it's cold.
Very cold. The temperature dropped more.
A bit different from Casino. I think the weather, the sun over there, it's still nice and warm in the day. Just cold at night and early in the morning.
Yeah, so just so you know guys, when winter starts now.
Yeah. And I'm here with my mom. Mami, decirle hola a la cámara.
Yeah. Alright. Here we are guys.
Here we are going to my mum's place.
Yeah.
So now we just traveling along. Babe's gonna do a few little snapshots.
Yeah. Welcome back to Sydney again.
Welcome, thank you for visiting Sydney.
Yeah. The last time we couldn't really walk around much because it was raining.
It was raining. Now this time it's not raining, so we're going to be doing lots of walking in the city.
So stay tuned for that guys.
Yep. I'm going to check out the Vivid lights.
Yep.
Vivid. Look, Island, a blue bus. Blue.
Yeah, they
blue.
Just do,
that DHL guys is a freight company that goes to Jamaica.
Oh.
Yeah, DHL.
Oh, they're like cargo planes.
Yeah, cargo planes.
Because you are right. A lot of people from Africa are coming down, but I don't know girl and boys.
Oh.
But I don't know if they are Jamaica.
So,
No, I want to get
Bobo
a new one.
has got a bit of a flu symptoms at the moment, guys. He looks really not well. No well, Papa? No well, Papa Chuku? No? Oh, okay. You sleep then, okay? Mummy get you Panadol? You get Panadol? Hey? Hey, Rubio? Rubio. No, porque...
So we just made a quick stop.
Yes.
Going to the chemist to get Island Panadol.
Panadol, because he's not looking too well, guys.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's what's up.
Just getting
Grabbing
him
that
this,
one.
guys, and yeah, or maybe we can still get him this one too, which is what price.
Yeah.
Yeah. Strawberry vanilla, symptoms of cold and flu. Yeah, we'll get him this one. I think that worked.
Yep.
So we're in a tunnel right now, and Little Island vibes.
Yeah, Sydney, city life, you know.
Yeah, that's it.
Poshy.
So it's been a very long time since I've caught trains here in Sydney. It's been a while, like 8 years since we moved away from Sydney. And now they have these things which are like Opal cards where you gotta like, I don't know, you gotta put them in and recharge them, and so yeah, similar to ones we've used before. So I'm hoping that this works. I don't know. It's my mum and her husband's card, so we're using that today.
So you are Marta and I am Gonzalo.
Yeah. So I don't know, we're just checking to see. Okay, so our balance is 17. So that should be good.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna cancel that one. That's Gonzalo's card, right?
Yeah.
And my mum's card. $7. So I'm gonna put some money towards it, guys. I've never done this before, so
here we
please
go.
pay 20. So can you put cash in it? Oh, cards only.
Really?
Really? Okay, so we just go like this.
What's going on now? Processing?
Yeah, it looks like it. Processing. It's processing. Okay.
New Balance. I think that's it.
That's it, guys. So apparently, I don't know if there's even trains either. So
Let's see.
let's see.
We're doing it.
We're doing it.
Yeah.
All right, Gonzalo here.
Yep. This is me, Gonzalo.
That's Gonzalo.
Yeah, and Marta.
And Marta. We're catching a train to the city, so we're looking for Granville. So
Yeah. And where are we at now?
no, we're going to the city.
Okay.
So we're in Fairfield, and so Fairfield is a place of many cultures, like all cultures, different cultures all around the world. Mostly, you have, your
Africans.
just your Africans,
Yeah, Arabs,
Asians,
Indians, everybody.
So everyone really. It's a very multicultural place.
Yeah.
So maybe tomorrow we can go for a walk around Fairfield City, but we'll show you guys.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh,
So-
by the way, guys, Bobo's not with us too.
Yeah, he's not feeling well and he's staying with his grandma.
Yes. So he's with Nonna at the moment, and so it's me and babe time.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah, so we're doing it this way
We're
today,
doing it.
guys.
Yeah.
So stick around.
Stick
We're gonna catch a
around.
bus now and
Yeah.
let's see what Sydney have to offer.
Yeah.
You know, we're doing it by foot and by bus and all that, so
That's it.
yeah. Different this time.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. That's it. Yeah. Wanna take a seat here? It doesn't matter. Woo. Yeah.
Here we are.
Hey guys, so we're out here in Sydney, about to catch a train. Where are we going again, babe? I forgot. We're going to the main city, right?
Circular Quay.
Circular Quay. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what's up for the day, guys. Yeah. So, it's the first, what do you call it? Yeah, so this is the first time catching a train then. Alright. I think the tram is similar. Yeah. Because we did plan to take the train from Casino to Sydney.
Yeah.
But then we made up our mind to take it by flight, so that's what happened.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the funny thing is, guys, today they searched me for bomb on the at the airport. And I was like, what the hell is going on? I was like, shit, do I have something on me that I don't know about? Yeah, guys, so that's what happened today. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, how did you feel when they caught you? He just went, excuse me, come over here, didn't
Yeah,
he? He just went, tap, tap.
they just called me over and was like, need to check your luggage. And I already went through the scan and everything already, and then, so saying they're checking for bombs or whatever. So, I was like, shit.
Here comes the train, guys.
Yeah, so a train. So I was like, damn, Imagine if I did have something on me, or everyone was there waiting, hoping to see what's gonna happen, what's gonna be, you know. So yeah, that's what happened, guys.
It was interesting.
Yeah.
Alright guys, train's here. Up or down, babes? You get to choose. Up. Alright, let's go.
From the train.
We're here.
Here we are.
Here we are. Yeah, you sit on this side.
Next stop, Lidcombe.
So here we are. Ah, it feels good. Smooth ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the train vibe. It's nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
The smooth ride. It's not rough or like,
Yeah.
like the train or the buses, they brake so fast,
Yeah.
the trams. Yeah.
Hey, it's cool. I like it. Yeah, man. So catch us when we reach.
Catch us when you reach.
Yeah, man.
Good afternoon, customers. This is Olympic Park service. The next stop is Lidcombe. Please change at Lidcombe for services to the city and Bankstown.
Saturday afternoon, guys. This is what a train station in Sydney looks like. Well, parts of Sydney. This does not stop here, so.
Railway services, Starlight Tower, Fort Victoria Building, and Sydney Town, Maxwell Town. Thank you for travelling with Sydney Trains.
So we have to train again, guys.
Yeah.
We've been taking trains for a while now,
For a while.
trying to get to the city.
Yeah.
So yeah, getting there.
We'll get there, guys.
Yeah. So
We're at the Wynyards train station.
yeah, we just went down. So right now we're currently underground, you say?
Yeah, we're underground.
We're underground.
It's so weird, guys.
Yeah, I've never experienced them thing here in my life. So
I mean, I have, but it's been a long time, so
Yeah.
I get quite lost. at the
yeah,
moment.
it's crazy how these people create these places in first world countries. Like
I know.
Yeah, it's
so
mad.
crazy. Oh.
I guess
We'll go down here. Platform 5 or 6.
yeah, I guess because the city gets so like what do they call it? Overpopulated, so they have to
Expand and make
underground.
more. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what's up.
Yeah, and you can see we're all rugged up because it's cold.
Yeah,
here.
it's cold. Trust me.
It's cold.
The sun ain't doing no justice.
It's actually colder than Casino, right?
Yeah, I would say so for sure. Yeah, so yeah, waiting about 5 minutes or so.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
And we'll check in. Alrighty. So here is our train coming, guys. This is us. Let's go.
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Doors closing.
Getting in the next stop anyway.
Yeah, here we are.
Sorry, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Which way we going? Down? So here we are now. Oh, looks a bit dark. So we're in the city now, guys. So stay tuned. Let's see.
So guys, this here is called Circular Quay, and so a lot of the ships and things dock off here at this wharf, I should say, at this wharf to take off, whether you're going to New Zealand or like other Pacific islands from here. So the big ship comes out this way. So we might find some along the way. So yeah, we'll just walk left and go this way.
Seem festive out here.
Yeah.
Full of vibes. Band, live bands playing and all that. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I'll give you that, baby.
Alright, so let's see the vibe here. First time walking the street, so it's different.
And it's not raining, so
Yeah.
that's a good thing.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can tell Sydney is overpopulated, as what you said and
Yeah.
most people say.
Definitely.
Yeah. Because there's, you can just tell.
Yeah.
And guys, we're seeing like heaps of like Africans as well. We're hoping to get a chance to speak to like an African or somebody, you know. Yeah, out here. So
Yeah.
yeah. So these boats you can take like a cruise on or what?
Yeah, these are the cruise boats. So they're run by Sydney Ferries.
Oh yeah.
And you can catch them to like, I think to Manly. So
Yeah.
Manly Beach, which is a famous beach as well.
Oh, okay.
You can catch it to Parramatta, I think.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure from memory, but yeah.
Yeah.
There's a few, yeah.
Okay.
And also the big ship
Yeah.
cruises. The cruises come out here too, like the big,
Yeah.
and people
Cruise
dock
ship.
off here. Yeah.
Okay.
Which we will do one day, guys.
One
we are
day.
going to do it, guys.
For sure, for sure.
For sure.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we're out here, you know. Yeah. Straight spot. Hey, baby.
Hey.
You like me out of a blow off?
Yeah, we'll go straight into the water.
Yeah, it got real windy. We can even fly the drone out here from
Yeah, when we get to the Opera House, we'll be able to sit down
Oh
and do it.
yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Wanna hold this one? I feel like I'm gonna blow at any moment.
There's the helicopters.
Yeah.
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 So there's people up at the bridge, like you might not be able to see it now, but
Oh yeah.
there's people up at the bridge.
There's lots of people on the bridge. You guys won't be able to see it, but for sure. What do they do up there? It's just the view.
Well, it's just the view and the thrill, really.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do people do like crazy bungee jumping or whatever you call it up there? Or not?
No, not up there. No.
Alright. So all of these places along here is like,
Restaurants.
oh yeah. Oh wow.
Also hotel. This is a hotel.
Yeah.
Probably a real 5-star
Yeah.
upper class.
Because when most people hear about Australia, they hear about Sydney first.
Yeah, true, really.
Yeah, it's like that's one of the first place people hear about.
Yeah.
Like when you hear about Jamaica, you hear about Kingston,
Yeah.
Negril,
Yeah.
Ocho Rios, you know, those places that stand out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Sydney is like one of those places.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoying the vibe. The sun might give you guys a bit
Trouble.
yeah with the lighting, but hope you guys can enjoy this one still. Yeah man, for sure. Let's get around here, babe.
Yeah.
Oh, well, the sun feels better now.
So these are like the speedboat. You get wet.
Oh yeah, mad. Yeah man. Imagine we out here and find somebody that knows us, like
Yeah, true.
that'd be crazy. But yeah, we actually plan to link up with one of our Jamaican friends. Well, 2 of them actually. So let's see, you know. So you're supposed to link up with one today, guys. So hopefully you guys get a chance to see him. You know, he was the one that linked me up. Well, basically dropped off a few stuff for me during quarantine. You know, so yeah, if we get to link up with him, you guys will see. So yeah, man.
I just hope we get to see.
This is just raw, uncut footage, you know?
Yeah.
Just the walking. see the whole vibe, what people
Now, if
doing.
we had Bobble here with us, it'd probably drive us a little bit insane.
Yeah,
I'm
so
not saying that it's a good vibe with him, but
yeah,
sometimes he gets a little bit off the top.
yeah, and sometimes he
Doing-
wants to do things his own way, and it
Yeah.
doesn't always work like that. So
So for
we do-
safety reasons, we didn't bring him as well, you know.
yeah, yeah, and he's not
COVID's
feeling
still
well.
very much alive too,
Yeah.
and he's not feeling well, like Babe
Yeah,
said.
so
Yeah.
and he kind of like not feeling well on the flight really.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, so that's when it really starts showing on the flight. So it's
Yeah.
not like we took him, you know, while he's sick and yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
a beautiful harbour bridge, guys.
Yeah, that famous bridge, man.
Like over 150 years old.
Really, that's all it is?
Yeah, it's old.
Wow. They do all the New Year's light show and all that.
Everything goes
Everything.
there.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And so then in front of us is the Opera House.
Ah, yeah, that famous building. Shit. We're actually getting a chance to do this, guys.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
So hopefully we'll be able to fly a drone around for you guys as well.
Yeah.
So you get to see
That would
the
be
city of
mad.
Sydney.
So lots of events happen here as well.
Yeah, tonight there's a Vivid Lights, which we don't know if we're going to be back tonight or tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because we want to go and try out this restaurant, you know, tell them?
Yeah, guys, we're hoping to try out this Jamaican restaurant that we saw online. So yeah, we actually called them already and they say yeah, they're open today, so we might go there as well today. So
Try it out.
yeah, we don't know yet.
We don't know.
Just stick around. Alright. Yeah.
So I'm going to have to take some photos of you up here at the Opera House step.
Oh yeah, that'll be mad. So you used to come here often at this place?
No,
Okay,
not here.
okay.
You could go to the casino too.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Ooh, we got people, man. And I guess this is not even pocket, right?
No.
Man.
So 5 p.m. tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's I've never really been down there.
Yeah. Ooh, look at all the boats. Jeez, they move fast too, man. Ah. So that whole building, what's in there?
A lot of feeders,
Okay.
a lot of opera, a lot of yeah, classical
Okay.
stuff. A lot of acting like theater stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, because I saw that the Wiggles have their show here too as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
That's a cartoon.
Yeah, lots of
well,
people.
for the kids show. Yeah.
So it's a very historical place.
Yeah.
Very historical indeed.
Yeah. Yeah, it's one of those landmark that.
At night,
It's
guys,
stood
this
out.
place lights up. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I like too. Like the lighting.
Yeah,
They're so creative with their lighting.
definitely.
Oh, is that like an army ship?
Yep,
What
that's
over there?
the army, the
Navy.
the Navy depot.
Oh yeah. Oh.
And also, I'll show you. But in the middle of the ocean, there's there used to be a jail.
In the really?
Yeah, yeah. We'd have to catch a ferry to see it properly. But yeah, there is like a. I think they used to have like a base there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Oh, interesting.
do a time lapse and put the camera down there.
Where?
Maybe. He said like if you do it, you can climb up the stairs and do some funny things.
Oh. Yeah. That'd be cool. That's like a vlogger too. It's like her Canon or the Gorilla Pod, yeah. Yeah, we're just observing, guys, while we showing you guys. We're just chatting,
We're just chatting around.
random things too, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. Very touristic.
Definitely.
Yeah.
You can tell.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, in the middle there.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, so I'm not really sure with the history of that, but there is a
Okay.
history. I think that Captain Cook stood there and was. I don't want to say the wrong thing.
Yeah.
I might be wrong.
So we're going up,
Going up, guys. Ready?
cutting the stairs.
Downstairs. 1, 2.
You're counting?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And it's still going up and up and up. How many so far?
2.
Really? It still goes up. Wow. This place is massive.
So guys, the island that you see there, the history behind it is an original rocky island used as a place of punishment for convicts. So Fort Denison was built over and renamed when fortifications were constructed there in the mid-19th century in an attempt to protect the city from seaborne invasion. So I was right. Yeah, what I said the first time. So yeah, so basically they used to capture the convicts and put them there in prison.
Yeah.
But also they used to protect the harbour from invasion, like countries coming in to try to invade.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of history right there, and it's still in one piece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then next to it is the Navy depot. I think I said that before, but yeah.
Yeah. The ship's there. Alrighty.
Sunlight's beautiful.
So we're on the top floor here, guys. Yeah. There is the famous bridge again. Hey baby. Beautiful wifey.
To the world. To all our subscribers.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there behind us, guys, you have a poshy restaurant. So poshy. Not my kind of style.
Yeah.
But I guess there's a place and time for everything.
Yeah. It doesn't say we never might.
Yeah,
we
we will, but right now it's not on our list.
Yeah.
Nice, it's a bit dark, I guess. Hey baby.
Hi.
Here we go. Train again, guys. Train life. Yeah. So guys, we're currently on our way to the Jamaican restaurant. We asked our Jamaican friend and he said it's not. He tried it there before and the food is pretty alright, he said. So yeah, but he said it's not just Jamaican, it's also like the whole Caribbean food. Yeah.
But I'm only there for the plantain and the jerk chicken.
Yeah,
guys.
so go and try out that. Go and try out that. So
Oh yeah, it's straight up there.
yeah, so we're following Google Maps and we'll be there in a sec. You know, for you guys, we'll be there in a sec.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.